If you are currently using two different tools for email warm-up and outreach, you are likely wasting valuable time that could have been spent closing more deals. But not anymore. We are here with Sales Handy and Truly Inbox integration. With this integration, you can sync your email account with Truly Inbox so you don't have to manage two separate tools. Let's quickly see how you can do it. So I am inside Truly Inbox dashboard and I'll go to add email account. Now you can see an option of import from Sales Handy. Simply click here. Here you have to fill an API key. So if you want to know more about API keys, simply go to this link and you will get entire information what you have to fill here. Otherwise, what you can do is simply go to your Sales Handy. So I'm inside Sales Handy's dashboard now. Go to settings, API key. Now create an API key. So you can name it anything. I'll name it TI and then create. Now copy this API key. Go back to your Truly Inbox account and paste this here. Once you paste this key, simply click on apply. Now you will be redirected to your Sales Handy's account and you will be asked for a consent. This is basically a consent for you to give to authorize the use of email account credentials from here to Truly Inbox. So once you have read all of these, simply click on this I agree with terms and condition and authorize. Now if you go to your warm-up dashboard from here, you will see all of these accounts which were there in my Sales Handy account are here. So now you don't have to separately add email accounts in Sales Handy and Truly Inbox. You can just add them in Sales Handy and then integrate with this integration and the accounts will be automatically connected. And then you just have to turn on the warm-up. So simply click on this toggle, click on connect now, and here you have to fill the app password that you will get from your Google Account Manager. So I'll just paste it here and then just test the SMTP connection. So it's authenticated. Similarly, I'll paste it here also and then just test IMAP connection. And then just click on connect and sync. So now you can see that warm-up has been enabled for this account successfully. Similarly, you can do for other accounts also. Don't forget that you can only authorize the integration if you are owner or admin in Sales Handy account. But if you're a member, then you cannot. Once you've authorized, all the future email accounts will automatically get connected to Truly Inbox account, and you will also see a tag here which will say Sales Handy imported. So whatever accounts have been imported from Sales Handy Truly Inbox with the integration, you will see this tag for them here. So this is how you can integrate these tools and save a lot of your time and actually close more deals.